You know that feeling you get when you move into a new place and you're just trying to fit in. Everybody has friends over there and you know for a fact that you have to make a good impression when you move there. Just like that, in the middleweight bike section, you got a new kid on the block. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Driver's Hub. This is your host Tanay, and today we have the new kid on the block in question, the BMW F900R. Let's talk about the looks. The BMW F900R has a very understated yet premium pose to it from every angle that you actually look at it from. It's got amazing creases and curves all over the front fender and fuel tank, which makes it look super muscular. And the headlight design that BMW has chosen is very simple and subtle, which in my opinion is a very good job from them. The only downside that it might have is that people might confuse your bike to a G310R.
This paint scheme is an optional extra, but man oh man, does this look sweet! Also, on closer inspection and interaction, the bike's build quality is supreme, feels like a real BMW, no moving panels, no squeaky noises. I mean, we cannot forget at the end of the day that this is made by BMW. If you look at the bike from its side profile, you can notice that the side panels near the tank look like an R, which is a very attractive piece of design. Something I wish BMW should have changed is the taillight design. This style of taillight debuted on the S1000RR and it feels inadequate when you stick that taillight onto such aggressive bikes. It might be dismissible on the G310R, but definitely not on this.
Swing over the saddle and you'll realize that the foot pegs are quite rear set back, and that also leads to a slightly aggressive riding position, but not so aggressive that you'll tire yourself out on long rides and especially in traffic. Along with that, it's got great steering lock, so in slow traffic it's going to be easy to maneuver. Let's stop talking about all of this and let me show you what the F900 is really about.
The 900R boasts of a 895cc parallel twin that pushes out 105 bhp and a solid 92 Nm of torque. While it might not sound like a lot of horses, the meaty mid-range torque of this all-new power unit compensates for it beautifully. The power delivery is predictable to an extent, which is nice for amateur riders, but if you're in search for an eager and more urgent engine, the F900R is not any of that. But from a two-cylinder engine, the performance is superb. The engine note is alright in the stock setup. I am a fan of these grunty talky noises, but hey, to each his own. The bike gives you a mileage of 23 km to the litre in the city, which is fine, but the tank only holds 13 litres, so fuel stops are going to be more often than you think. The bike feels super nimble and on its toes despite its 200 kgs plus weight and definitely inspires a lot of confidence in the rider. The fat rear tyre generates lots of grip, and this might be one of the easiest naked sports bikes to actually get your knee down on. The brakes have a good bite to them and the ABS is tuned pretty damn well, although probably the rear brake is a little weak on the initial bite. The F900R is a very fun bike to ride. Probably not the quickest or the sharpest and not even the best sounding, but it has a little bit of everything, and that adds to become quite possibly one of the nicest middleweight sports naked experiences currently on sale.
This bike is a tech fest if you do opt for the 1 lakh rupee optional extra, which is the Riding Pro package. In the package you get things like cornering ABS, engine braking control, all electronically adjustable suspension, dynamic traction control and engine braking control. If you are somebody who does love the twisties and wants to take their bike down those twisty roads, then the Riding Pro package is a must. If you do not opt for the riding package, you get all the basic features like ABS, 2 riding modes such as road and rain, and many other features. To display all the information that the bike has to offer, you've got a beautiful crisp 6.5-inch TFT screen which shows you all the information you could ever need. You've got things like time, range, the ref counter, and many other features. To conclude all of this, I'd just like to say that the BMW F900R all in all is a great package. You've got a great engine, great quality and great handling. It gives you the confidence that you need. It's probably the perfect way to enter the middleweight segment, and at the same time it gives us very strong competition to all the players out there. I'd like to thank Throttle Store by providing us with this great merchandise for all our videos. Do check their website out. They've got some incredible designs. Thank you for watching. This is Tanay. I'll see you in the next one.
Cut.
Just you need some gas, so